bar at the bottom and everything.
Here to settings.
Display settings? Okay, I should have
Change it to here.
Okay.
mirror. What? Okay, great. So as you can see, I have tried my very hardest to make this look like Windows XP. Complete with sounds. I don't think that'll come through the speaker though, but if you guys are really quiet, you can hear it. Yeah, so that's my volume sound. But yeah, I've changed just about everything. It has really helped me learn about how like you can change the style of things in Linux. So despite being a huge meme and Dean questioning my morality, I've really learned a lot. I don't know what else to show you guys with it. I've changed all the icons, changed all the sounds. Obviously I got the wallpaper and my start menu, and yeah.
So what was like the configuration process like? Like you had to install Linux, then was it just like a theme that you downloaded, or was there a lot of?
So I had to get each of those like 4 things separately. So the first thing I did was, this is actually Linux Mint, for Ethan's recommendation. And then most of it was kind of already set up in the way that I wanted, so there was nothing on like the side like Ubuntu or anything. It was all on the bottom already. So then all I had to do was I downloaded an actual theme folder, and I put it in the .themes folder that was on here. But all that gave me was like the bar at the bottom and like this part right here. It didn't give me the icons, and it didn't give me this like start thing. So I had to get a different folder for the icons and put that in separately. And those were in 2 completely separate folders in like hidden folders. So I had to go through and change that. And there were a lot of like hiccups along the way. Like I had to like change permissions and some other stuff. But like each step I had to clear Google. And then this I had to do by hand. So you can change that by just going to configure.
Oh.
And then I set a custom icon, and then I put the start text myself. And then to get the sounds, I had to do that separate. So you just go to sounds like this. And then I have set every function to some kind of XP sound. And I got the sounds from just like a zip file online.
That's a lot of work for me.
Has your productivity on this machine increased or decreased?
Increased.
Really?
I like using it because I worked so hard on it, but I'm proud of it.
Okay.
So I actually was doing homework on this earlier, so you can see, you can't see it, how spin looks, I guess, but it really looks great with spin because it looks so old. So yeah, that's my homework. And then
Is that like x86 or something?
there's my terminal. It looks basically the same, just with the blue on it.
Just like 20 years old.
Yeah. When I was little, I used XP. So to me, it's like nostalgic, even if it's super ugly. But I had a lot of fun putting it together. And like I said, I really did learn a lot. So, and my icons down here are all hella old.
So yeah, all the places that the computer reads, like the icons from, all like the background, the footer, that's all like configurable.
Yeah.
Like that's all comes from some sort of file somewhere.
Yeah. So
Or like a
all that I
right?
had to do was open up the file and then add something that I wanted instead. So I can actually show you what those files are. There's my .themes folder. So in here you only need one of these. I'm using this one, and you just go in and there's literally everything you could possibly need. There's like, and the computer figures all this out for you. So as long as I put one of these folders in the .themes, then I can go to themes, and then I just literally selected it. So it was just there. It was like it detected that I had a folder there that was valid, and I just put it in there. And then, like I said, I had to do it different for the icons folder. There's also, like the .themes, there's a .icons, and I just got this off the internet, which I don't suggest. But it's what works.
I think that's
So,
fine.
yeah. And then you can just go through, and there's, well, it won't preview it, I guess, but there's all the icons that I'm using. But yeah, I did not get the cursor. I couldn't find one. Unbelievably, right?
Yeah. Have you ever thought about switching this to Mac now?
Making like a Mac.
Yeah. Mac.
Good. I haven't thought of it. Well, the inspiration here was that I used XP when I was little.
Yeah, but you're using Windows. You're using Mac now, so wouldn't it?
I haven't had a Mac until 2 months ago. 2 months ago was my first Mac experience.
Exactly, you gotta onboard yourself onto it.
I mean, I could. But yeah, it's really like super easy. There was basically no coding involved. There were obviously like command line things and permissions things. But each step of the way, I feel like there was something that I knew how to Google. So, yeah. Is there anything else to show for you? That's it. I could go through and show you all the sounds. Oh, it does the login, but you couldn't hear it at the time. So, yeah.
Oh man, I love this song. I love
I'm
this
still
song.
working on the login screen, but when you log into you get the Linux login screen, and then once you log in, it plays that noise. Yeah. To me, this is a very satisfying project.
Thank
I
you.
have slides about how to do it if you guys want to know. I basically already told you guys, but if you want to know how to change anything like this, it's in the slides.
Cool.
That's it.
Get out of here, get Windows XP.